Friends, welcome back to Brushfall Studio YouTube channel. That's where we are. At least that's where I am. And today we are going to, as always, we're going to be painting. We got some very fun things happening today. I got my hairdryer out. I got 6 colors all painted up. I will put the colors in this description box because I'd rather do that than stand here and tell you what they all are. So we're going to go right to the canvas and have some fun. Come with me. So, start. Oh, I don't know. That looks pretty good. Now, let's see what kind of trouble we can get into. Set this thing for no or low heat, and I'm not sure of the fan setting yet. We'll find out. Ooh. What do you think, my lovely wife?
Beautiful. I liked how you thinned out the edges.
So, I think what I'm going to do is get couple of my brighter paints in a little brush, and I'm going to flick some specks all over it.
Oh, go.
I think one more round. You know the color you like?
Blue.
So I'm going to take the torch and see if we can pop any air bubbles that might be left. And we'll talk about what we've done. Okay, so the point of this painting was to try to create kind of a nebula look. So I layered my paint, and I wanted to put the white down so that it would blow over the top of some of the other colors and start to sink and create all the fun cells that we have here. When I took the fan brush and I tapped it with my finger to create all these specks over here to represent stars. I think this turned out pretty cool. It definitely did mostly what I wanted, but there's always that randomness. But it really did turn out pretty cool. Really happy. The colors are nice and striking and bold, and that was part of the goal with this. So with that, if you like what we're doing here, like and subscribe and leave us a comment. We promise to get back to them we promise to respond to your comments as soon as we can. Thank you for coming by. Bye.